Hello guys again. Today we have a new unboxing and testing of this Parkside bench grinder with a belt sander, model PSBS 240C2. Including accessories, we have a one grinding wheel, 3 sanding belts, one with 120 grind size and 2 with 80 grind size. Of wheel, one is pre-assembled. Okay, 3 years warranty from Lidl. It costs 40 euros. Here's some pictures. And let's see what we have inside. Inside we're going to find some mounting metal. Here's the plastic cover for your eyes. Some manuals if you want to read it. The sanding belts. And here is this is the wheel. You can grind an iron or some metal, and here is for the metal and for wood. Let's connect it. Okay, here it is. A better look. Closer. I'm going to find these accessories, and we must put it in here for better working condition. And the same here. I will install here this plastic cover for my eye. Okay, I have installed this here. It's very easy. One screw like that, put it inside and tight it with that plastic. Next we can install this cover. And here is the cover. It will help you not to injure your eyes. And let's test it. Here I will have screwdriver that is not best condition that it has in all his life. And let's put it here and make it beautiful and working again. Okay, let's start that. That was it. Let's see the screwdriver. Well, I think it's very beautiful. It's cool. I managed to make it good again. Well, I think this tool is very useful, and definitely for 40 euros it's worth to buy it. It's making a hell of a good work, of course, with this screwdriver. Definitely you can manage to do many DIY jobs. Thank you again, guys. That was the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice and lovely day. But don't forget, hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Bye bye.